Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Indonesian Lesson 1. How to introduce yourself in Indonesian. Imagine this. You step off a plane in Bali. Warm air hits your face. You hear laughter, music, conversation all around you. Someone looks at you, smiles, and says something in Indonesian. For a split second, everything slows down. You want to respond. You want to connect. You want to be part of that moment, but your mind goes blank. Not anymore. Because in the next 15 minutes, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Indonesian. Clearly, confidently, and naturally. And by the end, you won't just understand it. You'll feel it. Let's begin. Every conversation starts the same way, with a greeting. In Indonesian, the most common and simple way to say hello is halo, pronounced ha-lo. Say it slowly. Ha-lo. Again, halo. Easy. There's also a slightly more formal word. Selamat, pronounced Selamat. You'll hear it in phrases like Selamat pagi, good morning. Selamat siang, good afternoon. Selamat malam, good evening. But for now, keep it simple. Halo. Take a moment. Say it out loud. Halo. Good. Now, let's introduce yourself. In Indonesian, you say, nama saya, pronounced nama saya. This means my name is. For example, nama saya Alex. Let's slow it down. Nama saya. Again, nama saya. Now, add your name. Nama saya. Your name. Try it. Say it clearly. Nama saya. Your name. You've just introduced yourself in Indonesian. Oh, let's continue the conversation. To ask someone's name, you say, nama kamu siapa? Pronounced, nama kamu siapa? Break it down. Nama kamu siapa? Again, nama kamu siapa? Try it. Nama kamu siapa? Great. You're not just speaking, You're interacting. After exchanging names, you want to be polite. You say, "Senang bertemu denganmu." Pronounced, "Senang bertemu denganmu." This means, "Nice to meet you." Let's slow it down. Senang bertemu denganmu. Again. Senang bertemu denganmu. Take your time. Feel the rhythm. Say it again. Senang bertemu denganmu. Now, let's connect everything. Listen first. Halo, nama saya Alex. Nama kamu siapa? Senang bertemu denganmu. Now slower. Halo, nama saya Alex. Nama kamu siapa? Senang bertemu denganmu. Now your turn. Say it out loud. Take your time. In everyday conversations, people often speak more casually. Instead of nama saya, you can say aku, pronounced ku. This means I. In a casual way. Example. Aku Alex. And this time, you don't hesitate. You respond, "Halo, nama saya." Your name. They tell you their name. You ask, "Nama kamu siapa?" They answer. You smile and say, "Senang bertemu denganmu." And just like that, you're connected. You belong in the moment. Let's review everything. Hello. Hello. Nama saya. My name is. Nama kamu siapa? What is your name? Senang bertemu denganmu. Nice to meet you. Saya dari. I am from. Say them slowly. Let them settle. This is your foundation. You don't need perfection. You need practice. And today, you started. In the next lesson, we'll build on this. But for now, repeat it, use it, own it. Because the next time someone speaks to you in Indonesian, you won't freeze. You'll respond. And that changes everything. Try it. Aku, your name. Again, aku, your name. Now you sound more natural. Let's expand your introduction to say where you're from. Saya dari, pronounced. Saya dari. This means I am from. Example. Saya dari Indonesia. Saya dari America. Try it. Saya dari your country. Again. Saya dari your country. Now combine everything. Nama saya Alex. Saya dari Canada. Smooth, natural. Let's practice slowly. Repeat after me. Hello, nama saya. Your name. Saya dari your country. Nama kamu siapa? Senang bertemu denganmu. Take a breath. Again. Smoother. Hello. Hiya. Your name, saya dari your country. Nama kamu siapa? Senang bertemu denganmu. Good. You're building confidence now. Picture it again. You're in Indonesia. Someone smiles at you and says, hello. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.